Okay, and then I take this line 8, these bolts. Over there's first one, and I install this my big wrench. Okay, and now it opens, and then I open also that one, and it is also loosened. And now I use my electric driver when I remove these, because this is faster and bolt opens faster. Okay, this is free. Okay, good. And then I need these pliers. There's first bolt, and then this my magnetic head. And there is this plate, and I install these parts together, and then next bolt, and then plate. Okay, and plate is there. Okay, and I install plate also in here. Good. And then I can take this next row in row 7. Toyota Camry 2.4 liter VVT-i engines cylinder head bolts inspection. And first question is that can I reuse and use again these used cylinder head bolts? And answer is that yes, you can, but we have to measure that these cylinder head bolts is enough thick, because when this is in high compression, this central area becomes thinner, and that's we have to measure this area, and let's go to measure that next. Okay, and for that measurement we need now some high quality measurement tool, and here is one of those digimated caliper, and brand is Me2 Toyo or something like Toyo, and this comes from Japan, and there is this package, and there is even calibration document, and here is this tool. And when we start to use that tool, there is on and off switch in here, what I need to press, and then next I have to calibrate that. I press that yellow button that there is 0, and then I start to measure these my cylinder head bolts. And firstly I have to take clean cotton cloth, and I have to polish this central area shiny, because this is this critical part in here. And let's go to look closer, and we need this cotton cloth, and I polish that central area where is this thread, and then this little bit thicker area in here. And of course I have to visually check that these bolts head they are okay, that there is no any worn out, because there is high compression. And then if I can see in here any scratch or dents, or in this thread area any damage, I have to cancel and react this bolt. But this bolt looks good, and also check these plates, what belongs in these every cylinder head bolts in that way, and they are really specific bolt. Do not use any another plate in here. But then this important thing, this central area, there must be now this material and thickness at least this 9.9 millimeter. And let's look at what it means. It means that when I move this my caliper that there must be at least this 9.9. Now there is that this is okay, 9.97, and 9.9 is this minimum amount, and if we measure like 9.5, it is too less. It must be 9.9 or more. Okay, let's go to measure, and we measure this bolt in two areas. In this area, just where is this thicker part, and this is the thinner. This is first, and then in that area second. And let's go to do this measurement next. Okay, and I start this measurement in here, and let's look. This is like 9.97, and this means that this is okay amount, and then in here also this is 9.91. This is just okay amount. And let's go to look closer this measurement point. Now we can see closer that where I have to measure. In here, and then I compress a little bit with my thumb that there is this amount, and now it's 9.1, and it is just, and then I move this my tool in this area, and now we can see 9 point. Thumb is moving, and there is this point, and now I even move that in this direction, that we can see that this is this head, and then there is small dent, and just in that area in here, and let's look. Now I got 9.94, and this is okay. But then if I measure this amount, and I could get like amount what is 9.6, then I have to cancel that bolt, and also if there is like 9 point this let's look 8, then I have to react that bolt. And then let's look next bolt. And then there is second bolt what is in here, and let's do same thing in here. First I clean that central area, and then I check that my tool is okay. Now I have to calibrate it again, because I like to be very accurate and professional. And in that area in here I install my tool, and let's look, it is 9.94, it is okay, and then that area in here, and it is 9.92, and that means that now this my bolts what were in that set, two of those, they are okay, and I have left to do and measure and inspect 10 of more, because total amount of these were 12 bolts. But it is really possible that we can reuse these, and remember to use only, my recommendation is that Toyota's original parts if you need to replace in new bolts. And you might think that why? The only thing is that if you use Toyota's parts, then you have less troubles. You are like more trouble free. Okay, and that kind of information, my friend, and thank you.